He's back.
You guys are right.
Tell him to look on check.
No.
He's gonna hit the ladder. Fucking jump out of his wheelchair.
He goes these steps already.
He's gonna run. He's gonna run upstairs from his cup of tea.
Anybody in Discord?
Oh, I have the CC.
Well, I'm saying, you can just get your jump if you have to.
Oh, here.
So just fucking push me, why don't you?
Simon, we know you're in for this. I'm not gonna make it. I'm dead.
What's... You're dead? What? Oh wait, am I stuck?
That's Nico.
But wait. Did you hear that? Let's take a closer listen.
Oh wow. Wow.
Oh wait, am
I
I
can't even hear you guys. It's almost like
Ah.
I'm not even here.
Alright, we going in?
Holy shit.
That was the voice of the infamous ass-eating leader Nico, and he sounds ready to catch these mo-fucking hands.
Don't get the roof.
No, that's nothing. I thought we were going.
Hunter, come back.
I just got heads up.
Watch my body. Yeah, where? Wait, he's not dead? No, he's dead.
I got a date with destiny. My heart says yeah, but can't convince the rest of me. I tried so hard to make it with no recipe. My selfish.
I
This is
can
some
give you a little bit.
Not sure.
Oh. Hop with loader.
I can
There's-
control
There's one that just came inside the compound from the back. Back dude.
And back to Demonio. What a fucking bot. Now, I hope you're sat up for this one. Check out this high-octane defense from me.
before
Behind you. Yeah.
drop them right here.
Oh, it's so good.
Bruh. Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Wait, 8 because of ego. 8 yeah.
Look at the top of his head.
Oh,
Oh, what the? Dude.
what the?
I didn't know Nicholas was an AE.
That's all, folks.